Hello wonderful viewers, this is Sam Mathematics. In this video, we are given x which is equal to square root of root 5 plus 1 all over root 5 minus 1, and we have to find 5x squared minus 5x minus 1, which is yes. Okay, so before we start, let's do some little manipulation of this. Right, 5 plus 1 over root 5 minus 1. Let's rationalize this first. And to do that, we need to find the conjugate of the denominator. So the conjugate of root 5 minus 1 is root 5 plus 1. So let's multiply it. 1 over root 5 plus 1. We then multiply the numerator and then denominator. So we have 5 plus 1 times root 5 plus 1 over root 5 minus 1 times root 5 plus 1. Okay, at the numerator we are going to have root 5 plus 1 all squared over, this is difference of 2 squared, but when you multiply a compound set by its conjugate, you are going to get difference of 2 squared. And for that matter, we have root 5 all squared minus 1 all squared. So root 5 plus 1 all squared over root 5 squared is 5 minus 1. So we have root 5 plus 1 all squared over. So let's go back. Our x now becomes square root of 5 plus 1 all squared over 4. Now remember, square root of a over b is the same as, you can split them, root a over root b. So when we do that, square root of the numerator will take care of the square. So we have root 5 plus 1, then square root of 4 is 2. You can now substitute this in the expression, which is 5x squared minus 5x minus 1. So wherever we see x, we put root 5 plus 1 on 2. So this is equal to 5 times root 5 plus 1 squared on 2 all squared, yes, minus 5 times root 5 plus 1 on 2 minus 1. Let's go further, and this is equal to, when we expand this one, we are going to have the numerator 5 plus 2 root 5 plus 1 all on 4 is minus. Okay, care must be taken here. So we have 5 times root 5 plus 1 on 2 minus 1. Okay, so this is the same as 5 times 6 plus 2 root 5 over 4 minus. So we can send this one in. 5 root 5 plus 5 on 2 minus 1. We have 5. Now we can factorize to bring 2 out. When we bring 2 out, we have 3 plus root 5 over 2 or 4 rather, minus 5 root 5 plus 5 minus 1. This 2 here will go here too, so that we have 5 times 3 is 15 plus 5 root 5 over minus 5 root 5 plus 5 over 2 minus 1. Then find the LCM, which is, the LCM becomes 2. This is 2. So 2 we have here to be 15 plus 5 2 minus 5 root 2 root 5 minus 5 minus 2. So we then have, now this is root 5 rather, so this minus that will go to 0. So we have 15 minus 5 minus 2 over 2. That is the answer. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on the notification button so that anytime I drop a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Bye.